is Mr. Squidward. Yeah, I got Mr. Squidward here. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, Man on Board. Today is 26th of January 2020. It's a Sunday, launching off from Pasir Ris, just near CSC Loyang. Don't see any kayak anglers for now. Not too sure if there's anyone out there. Was down with fever for 3 days. The past 3 days was quite bad. I just had to get myself out from the house and decided to just try launching off here, and again testing out my kayak after repairing it again. So far so good. We'll see if it's taking in more water than it should. Hopefully it stays dry, as dry as possible. Gonna stay here for about 4 hours. If everything looks good, probably I'll just cross over a bit to Pulau Ubin, trying out my luck at Ketam Island. Probably look for some barramundis. We'll see how. I'm not too sure if I'm going over to Chejawa, a bit far, and I'm on a solo trip, so I'm not going to risk it too much for today. Still not recovered 100%. So stay tuned and wish me luck. I'm trying my luck at Captain Jeff's spot, and apparently sadly he popped up and he's back at his spot. So I'm just gonna tag along with him, so roughly I know where to go around. Yeah. So just say hi, hopefully he's okay. Alright. We have Captain Jeff on Prince of Peace with some of the anglers he's bringing today, and he's been very kind enough to show me where to try for the barramundis here. Thanks much to Captain Jeff. Last trip with Captain Jeff here, I caught about 4 to 5 barramundis. Not too bad. First time to Ketam and getting about 5 barramundis on my own today. Let's see if I can get any. About 4 hours I've been at Ubin, at Ketam. Doesn't seem like the fish are biting there, but the only thing that I got is Mr. Squidward. Yeah, I got Mr. Squidward here. So bring him back home. Hey guys, another disappointing outing for me. I had one bite. I reckon it was a quite size, the fish. In my rush to turn on the GoPro, I think I didn't set the hook properly, and as I was turning it on, the fish got away. Then I got a squid, as earlier I mentioned. Actually I got another squid. Then again, my stupidity, I was trying to pull it into the kayak instead of using my net to just scoop it out from the water. So I lost that too. Been trying at Changi Boardwalk, again nothing. I don't know what's wrong. Every time I go on boat fishing, I do get I do get fish, but every time I go on my kayak, ends up the same, no fish. I reckon it's my fishing spot. It's just horrible spots that I'm going to. I don't know. I'm trying everywhere in Pasir Ris, Changi, Ubin, back to back, everywhere. I'm not coming out with good results. I'm not very happy, very disappointed. But like I always say, never give up. There's always a good day. Right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification for the next video. Thank you.
You twisted fiend!
Oh, but I will! Even if I have to come back tomorrow! And the next day! 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 And the next day!
YouTube, welcome back to my channel again, Man on Board, and today is the 27th of January, Monday. Going out again, trying my luck again. Never to give up, okay? Never give up. Keep on trying. Yesterday wasn't a good day. Got a hit, but didn't manage to land the fish. Got away while I was trying to turn on the GoPro. So today I launched off from Watercross, from Pasir Ris carpark E. Hopefully to have a better day today. Okay, so don't worry. Even if you have no catch, okay, just go out there and do what you love to do. Okay, just keep on trying. Okay, don't give up. Alright, so wish me luck. Okay, thanks guys. The catch today, I got an octopus. Oh, there she goes. Alright, got to get her out from there. Oh, ikan duri, ikan duri. Okey lah, tak kencang lah. Ada ikan duri, ikan duri. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Yes. Okay.